Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is the 14th day of June 2022. We're going to talk about Cardano today and see if this particular cryptocurrency can survive the crash. I mean, yesterday everyone saw how massive the move was, with a lot of cryptocurrencies in this space going down double digits. I'm just going to come through today and speak to everyone about what do I think about Cardano or ADA. Can we continue to see this market elevate, go up? Because that was my last idea as to where I was looking for ADA to go. You guys can see in front of you that it really hasn't done that. So today's the day that I'm going to speak on it. I'm going to show you all what I think. Now, before I get started, if you all appreciate my videos and my content, then welcome. I want you all to go ahead and hit that like button, share the video, also subscribe here to my channel. Would also recommend that you tap that bell notification as well, because I'm definitely here to assist you all, to show you all that it is possible to predict prices without being confused. So now let's break down what has happened since my last video for ADA. The last time I did a video was on May the 31st. So here it is right here. This is where the market was trading at when I did my last video right here. Okay. Now I was playing for the market to go up in ADA, and it didn't really do that. No, it didn't. Following my video, the price in ADA did go down back towards 55 cents. This is the area to which the market found the buyers right here. Okay, let me go ahead and show you all where the buyers came into the market in ADA. Okay, they came in right there. And from that point, that 55-cent level, price went right back up to where we started, where the break-even point was in my price prediction. And then again, market got rejected and price came right back down right here. So it tells us that this area right here is where the selling is occurring. Right around this area right here is where selling is happening into the market for ADA. Price fell down. Now, take a look at this though. Okay, take a look at this. The market in ADA, even though we saw a monumental movement to the downside for a lot of cryptocurrencies and altcoin in the space, ADA came right back down to where we already came from. This is not new. We've already seen the market in ADA come down to 45 cents towards the ending of May. So what, 2 weeks ago maybe? We've seen the price already hit 45 cents. For us to come back down to that level and see the market currently up in ADA lets me know that this is where buyers are still at. The buyers are still here. So this market hasn't really endured a whole lot of market crashes like other altcoins in the space. So just a general question, can we see ADA survive this? Yes, of course, because the market is determining that this is where the buyers are at. Now, let's say that the market broke 45 cents to the downside. Let's say that this didn't happen, that the market continually fall down. We still have 40 cents to follow through to see buyers. And one thing I really want to show you all and address is that let's look at the volume that came in yesterday. Like, the volume was exceedingly heavy yesterday. Look at that. Pretty much what happened when we came back down to 45 cents on the 12th of May. We're seeing the same type of ideas. Whoever came into the market on the 12th of May for ADA came right back in yesterday. Those same individuals, probably a couple more other people, but someone sees that 45-cent price as a valuable price level to come in and buy this currency. We need to follow the market. If they're doing that, then obviously we may need to be doing the same thing. Now, when you go back and look at my idea of my last video for ADA, you can say that I didn't get it correct. I get it. So yeah, it did not go the way that I expected it to go. And it will happen. You will see times to where you expect the market to go one way and it goes the opposite direction. So what I'm going to do on this particular video, I'm going to get rid of this last price prediction, even though I still suspect that the market in ADA is going to maintain this consolidational trader range. Okay. Now, my ultimate goal, though, is to see this market come all the way back down to 40. So before I get rid of this price prediction that I have, let's look at this on a different time frame. So this is ADA right here on a 2-day time frame, and this last completed 2-day price bar definitely tells us that we still got some weakness here on the chart. I've already identified that this is where the market currently is holding price at 45 cents. Okay, this is it on the 3-day. We got 13 hours and 8 minutes left on this current 3-day price bar, and the market overall, when I zoom out, you all can see that generally we don't see that much strength in this space. We don't. So let's look at this on the 5-day. Okay, so this is the 5-day time frame here in ADA. You guys can tell even on this particular type of perspective. From a 5-day perspective, I'm not that massively bullish. I can't be. When I see how much weakness is involved in these 5-day price bars right here, we have to take note of that. The only positive 5-day price bar that we've received out of all of the price bars that I've circled is this one, and then possibly this one. But seeing how we have the current 5-day price bar coming down in ADA, it kind of lets us know that we may not be done with the market going down. Okay, even though I do suspect that the price can still survive in ADA, that simply means that we can see the market come all the way down to 40 cents. That's my original area, which the highs came in back in 2018. Look at ADA on the weekly time frame. Even here on the weekly perspective. So the further out in time we go, that's where I'm really seeing the weakness. I'm seeing some minor strength, some buying come in on the hourly and the daily perspective, but that's about it. When I look at this on the 5-day, the weekly time frame, you guys can even see on the 2 weeks, the 3 weeks, even here on the 5-weekly time frame, the market overall is still trending down. Nothing has changed yet. Okay, so let's go ahead and run this back to the daily. I'm going to go ahead and drop a price prediction. I didn't like what happened on my last one. We did not get that one correct. So we're going to continue to follow the market here in ADA. Okay, now all the way up here around 60 cents is where I'm at. Definitely at 65. That is where the last bout of selling came into the market in ADA. You all can see it's right here. Cool. So this is really the area to where the sellers are in control of the market in ADA. Now my first price target is still going to be around 45 cents. Like, let's not be clueless and not think that buyers are not there, because they are. So if the market in ADA over the next couple of hours, next couple of days, comes all the way back down to 45 cents, congratulate yourself and take some profitability out of the market. That's 8.6% right there. Go ahead and grab that. My second level is going to be down here around 40. It's around 18, almost 18.75% movement to the downside. Okay, right there. Outside of that, down there around 29.30 cents. Okay, so what I'm looking forward to in the near term is merely the market consolidating and pretty much trading sideways. But from a longer term perspective, I still see weakness on the chart. So we're not going to be tricked. We're not going to be fooled into all of the videos that's being created for ADA, saying that this is a buying opportunity, when in fact the chart is not reflecting that. It's not. Now, once we see that, okay, cool, we'll come on board and ride the market with the buyers. But we need to see that on a longer term basis. And we're not seeing this right now on the long term. Yeah, we can play the market on a smaller time frame and play the move higher. But just like we're playing on a shorter time frame, the sooner you have to get up off that prediction and look at it in the long term. All right. So I am done. I came through, updated you all as to what I think the market in ADA is going to go through in the long term. I want you all to go ahead and drop a quick comment and let me know whether you all think the price is headed. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.